5 Easy Ways to Naturally Whiten Your Clothing. Our white garments seem to get yellow over time, due to contact with dust and sweat. Although there are many chemical products that can help naturally whiten your clothing, the best thing to do is to look for solutions that won't deteriorate the fabric. While we often overlook this fact, detergents and commercial liquids contain substances which, in addition to affecting the environment, damage fabrics. This is why it is good to be aware of ecological, 100 natural alternatives, which offer similar results without causing undesirable effects. We want to take this opportunity to share, in detail, 5 great options for you to try when you need to return your favorite clothes to their original brilliance. 1. Salt and lemon juice. By combining the natural acids in lemon juice with the whitening power of salt, you can obtain an effective solution against unsightly stains that tend to form on white garments due to sweat. Ingredients: 5 cups of water, 1,250 milliliters. The juice of 2 lemons. 1/2 cup of salt, 100 grams. Preparation: heat the water without letting it boil. Add the lemon juice and salt. Stir the ingredients so that they are well mixed and ready for use. How to use it. Soak your white clothing in the mixture and let it sit for an hour before rinsing. Then, hang it to dry outdoors, preferably in direct sunlight. 2. Hydrogen peroxide and lemon juice. A mixture of hydrogen peroxide and lemon juice helps bring out the natural white in our clothing, especially when the garments are stained by dust or food residue. Ingredients: 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide, 250 milliliters. The juice of 1 lemon. 2 cups of water, 500 milliliters. Preparation: pour the water into a container and add the hydrogen peroxide and lemon juice. How to use it. Soak the garments in the mixture, or add it during the wash cycle of your washing machine. 3. White vinegar. When it comes to fabric care and garment whitening, white vinegar is one of the best ecological products that we can choose. Its natural acids penetrate fabric stains, enhancing the natural tone of the garment and softening the fabric naturally. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 125 milliliters. 3 cups of water, 750 milliliters. Preparation: dissolve 1/2 cup of white vinegar in 3 cups of warm water. How to use it. Soak the clothing for 30 to 40 minutes, and rinse as usual. If the stain is very difficult to remove, apply the vinegar to it directly and scrub it with a brush. 4. Lemon rind and apple cider vinegar. The natural acid contained in lemon rind unites with the organic acid of apple cider vinegar to bring us an alternative product that works against dullness in white garments. Ingredients: the rind from 2 lemons, 3 cups of water, 750 milliliters, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 125 milliliters. Preparation: cut the lemon rind into a few pieces and boil them in the water. When the solution is ready, let it sit for a few minutes, and then add the apple cider vinegar. How to use it: let the garments soak for 40 to 50 minutes. Rinse them as usual and let them dry in the sun. 5. Baking soda and lemon. Baking soda is a natural detergent, since it eliminates dust and dirt in all types of garments. In this case, we will enhance its properties with lemon juice, in order to obtain an effective solution against stains that form in the armpits and necklines of white garments. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 30 grams. The juice of 1 lemon. Preparation: combine the baking soda and lemon juice, and wait until the effervescent effect subsides. How to use it: apply the paste on the yellowed parts of your white garments and let sit for 30 minutes. Rinse with warm water, and remove residue with neutral soap if necessary. Set the garments to dry in the sun for better results. Are you thinking of getting rid of your white clothing because it looks yellow? Before taking such drastic measures, choose one of the mixtures mentioned above, and try it out to return your white clothes to their original brilliance.